Warm wishes to all. I hope you all might be doing good at your home. Children, today we will be starting with our chapter number 12, that is ratio and proportion. Now, what is ratio? First, we'll understand the meaning. Ratio means when we compare two quantities in terms of how many times, means same proportion is there, that is known as ratio. And we denote ratios with two dots. This is how we denote ratios. So let us start our exercise number 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 1. How we will do it? There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. Now they are asking two part. What is the ratio of girls to the number of boys? What is the ratio of girls to the number of students? How we will do it? Let's see. Here I have written in the question, it is given number of girls is 20, number of boys is 15. What is the ratio they are asking? Ratio is always represent in the fractional form. Whatever the first thing they will ask, it will be kept in the numerator, and the second thing it will be kept in the denominator. Number of girls to the number of boys, which means number of girls will be kept in numerator and number of boys in denominator. Number of girls is 20 upon number of boys is 15. We have to always remember in ratio you have to reduce the fraction to the lowest form. So it will be 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. We got 4 upon 3. In ratio form it will be written as 4 ratio 3. This is question number A, first part. Now, in second part, they are asking what is the ratio of number of girls to number of students in a class. Here they are asking total students. The ratio is number of girls upon total students. How you will find? First, you have to find the total student, as in question number of girls and number of boys were given. So, total students means if we'll add girls and boys together, we will get total number of students. So girls were 20, boys were 15. 20 plus 15, therefore total strength is 35. So ratio will be how many girls? 20 upon total student 35. Again we will reduce it to lowest form. 5 4s are 5, 7s are. You will get answer as 4 upon 7. This is your question number 1. Let us proceed with question number 2. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. So total students are 30. Out of these 30, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining tennis. So first we will calculate the remaining number of students. Okay. So total students is 30. Students like football is 6. Students like cricket is 12. If we'll add these two numbers, we'll get students who like football and cricket, which is 6 plus 12, 18. We'll deduct this 18 from 30, so we will get answer as 12. This students who like tennis is 12. Now, what is the ratio they are asking? First part, number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. So, football students upon students who like tennis. So here we know students who like football is 6 and students who like tennis is 12. Just now we have calculated. Keep them in the ratio, fractional form. It is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So we have got first part answer as 1 ratio 2. Let us move ahead with second part. Number of students liking cricket to number of total students. Same. Whatever they are asking in the ratio, first keep it in the formula form and then search for the values and then find the ratio. So it is total students who like cricket upon total strength, the total strength. So the students who like cricket was 12, the total student is 30. So the fraction will become 12 by 30. Reduce it to lowest form. 6 2s are, 6 5s are. Therefore, the ratio is 2 ratio 5. This is your question number 2. Now children, question 3 and question 4 you will do by yourself. Same hai. The question says in the figure number of different figures are drawn. You have to count the number of triangles. You have to count the number of circles. Keep them in the fraction form and find the ratio. Similarly, for now in second part, first you will count the number of square from the figure, then and to all the figure inside rectangle, all figure first you will calculate. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in total 7 figures are inside the rectangle, and then you will find the ratio. C part, number of girls to all the figures inside the rectangle. Again, number of circles you will count. See, 2 circles are there, upon how many figures are there inside. Find the ratio. This is question is easy, you will do it by yourself. Let us move ahead with question 4. Distance, this also you will do by yourself. Distance travelled by Hamid and Akhtar is given in an hour. You have to find the ratio of speed to Hamid of Akhtar. Just keep them in the ratio form and you will get the answer. So 3 and 4, do it by yourself. Let us move ahead with question number 5. Fill in the blank and some fractions are given. What they're asking, are these ratios equal? So let us see whether they are equal or not. This type of question we have already done in our fraction also, children. So 15 upon 18 is equal to, this we have to find. One time we will find the answer. 15 upon 18 is equal to dash upon 6. Now here in the table of 6, 18 come at 3 position, so 3 will be multiplied both. This 5 I have got the answer. In the table of 3, 15 comes at what position? 5 times. So our answer will come here 5. Now for the second part, we will compare these two part. Okay. So here again you will write the same thing. 5 upon 6 is equal to 10 upon what? This we have to find. 10 upon what? So again just make it equivalent. What you will do? Just make it equivalent. So in the table of 5, 10 comes at 2 position. In the table of 6, 6 multiplied by 2 you will do it and you will get the answer 12. So here your answer is coming 12. So this is also equal to this thing and this is also equal. Now third part, again I will compare this 5 by 6 to this. In the table of 6, 30 come at what position? 30 comes at what position? So we will make the equivalent fraction. 6 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 5, it is 25 by 30. So yes, the answer we got is 25 by 30. When I will reduce all these fraction to lowest term, I will get 5 upon 6 as the answer. So you will write yes, all are equivalent ratio. This was your question number 5.